The Grimace shake looks good from McDonald's.
Since he was born, Grimace has always had a birthday.
These kids, bro.
And since he's had a
I
birthday,
would like to order that
he's
from
always
McDonald's.
had it at McDonald's.
Taking
So
a
this
picture,
June,
lol.
we're all invited to the party with a special shake to celebrate.
hell?
Get Grimace's birthday shake when you order his birthday meal only at McDonald's.
What's up with this EA scenarios? Bro, this is loud as fuck. Civil danger warning?
There have been multiple disappearances which seem to correlate with the consumption of the McDonald's Grimace birthday shake.
Wait,
Under no
what?
circumstances should you consume the Grimace shake. Do not
Okay.
consume the Grimace shake.
Wait. Why?
Side effects include nausea, drowsiness, vomiting, hallucinations, paralysis, psychosis, and death.
Okay. Oh, my god. What happened? Did he die from the Grimace shake by vomiting? Oh, my god. So that Grimace shake can give you a stomach pain, and then you vomit? Oh, gosh. And then these people died from the Grimace shake. Nuh-uh, I would never drink the Grimace shake, and it's way too dangerous. It might got poisoned on it. What the fuck? Someone is trying to break in my house. Like and subscribe.